What's going on, guys? It's Thursday morning. Thursday morning. I don't have a name for Thursday morning. Thursday morning profit, but we'll make some money today. So XNET, definitely XNET. Gonna keep an eye on this one. So yesterday XNET made a crazy move from that 880 area there at open. Made a crazy move, XNET, up to that $12 area right before close. So definitely keeping an eye on XNET here. My goal here on XNET would be to, I don't know, it can go either way here. This thing could just start crashing below that $12 area like it did the other day, like it did, what was that, on Monday or Tuesday? On Tuesday, I think. But we'll see. So it's up to that 1250 area, finding that resistance there at the 1250 area, having trouble there. And we'll see if this is going to get stuck there at 1250 or it's going to go higher. Definitely don't want to get stuck in a squeeze here. And this could have a possibility for a squeeze. Obviously, you saw yesterday it made a big squeeze from that $10 area right up there to $12. So got to be careful about that. Don't want to get stuck in that squeeze. Definitely not what I want to see this morning. But I'll be watching that 1252 area. That's kind of the goal right now. What's going on? Good morning, everybody who's a little bit late to the party here. Talking about XNET. XNET, what's gonna be the play today? This stock that we traded a couple times now, haven't we? It's been all over the place. But XNET yesterday, end of the day there, making a big move from that $12 area up to that. No, well, making a big move from the $8 area here on XNET over that $10 resistance, right up there, squeezing. Last hour of the day here. Look at this move from the 1029 area, boom, right up there to $12. If you look at the daily chart here, you can see XNET has that previous resistance there at the $14 area. So I'm thinking if we can get over that 1250 area, XNET might want to squeeze up that $14 area, and we'll see what happens from there. But if you look at the overall chart here on XNET, it's been nothing but going down, down, down. So that's kind of the goal right here. The goal would be to wait for that confirmation, wait for the confirmation of the top there and short. You definitely don't want to get stuck in this, in a squeeze on this, because as you can see yesterday, it definitely has the power to just start going crazy here over that $10 area, squeezing up there to $12. So that's what we're looking at. Someone just mentioned Tiva. No shares to short, which is very convenient this morning. You can see TEVA. I woke up this morning, saw that TEVA was crashing down there, logged on to SureTrader, and there are no shares to short on SureTrader. So I won't be playing this one. That's kind of the issue. And other than XNET, I'm kind of looking at what's moving around this morning. Not a lot of stocks gapping up this morning. A couple stocks moving around, but not really looking that hot this morning. OCLR pulling back here. There are shares of short here on OCLR. OCLR gapping down yesterday after hours from the $8 area. Now it's down there to 656. Definitely keep this one on the watch list. OCLR, possible short there. I'll probably get in there below 650. Get down there to 650 a couple times now, and bouncing there off 650. We'll see what happens. NCYT, let's check it out. Someone really wants to check it out there. NCYT up 34% so far. Only got 52,000 shares traded. Don't love that. I guess, is that the limited? Is this a clothing brand? I hope not. The clothing brand limited up 30 cents. It's up 34% right now. Not a lot of volume. Like I said, only 52,000 shares traded. Definitely want to see more volume before jumping in on that party. OCRX, let's check it out. OCRX up 69%. Not even, huh. OCRX not popping up on my morning gapper list. Not sure why. But up there to $1.70 now. OCRX. That $1.73 resistance holding it down right now. We'll see if this is going to turn into resistance. It's going to sell off here. It's got 1.4 million shares traded, so it has the volume and has the action that we're looking for. This could be a nice little squeezer today. Definitely watch it above that $2 area here. OCRX. Thanks for putting that out there. Got that 160 resistance. 160 support there on OCRX. Got that 174 resistance. So it's a buyout. Oh, man. Let me go. I didn't even see the news on this. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so it looks like OCRX would looking for a buyout. So there you go, OCRX buyout. Definitely, that's not good news because probably not going to move much. So OCLR down there, that 650 area, big buyer there at 650 right now. Big buyer sitting there at 650 support. We'll see if the 650 area is going to hold there in OCLR. But I'm keeping an eye here on XNET. See if this XNET gets up to that 1240 area. So yeah, basically OCRX, if it has a buyout, that's the news there. So it jumps up basically to where that buyout price would be. It would basically jump up there to that buyout price. I think someone said 42 million. So whatever the share float is there, that basically just instantly jumps up to that buyout price. And yeah, it won't have much more action to go from there. People aren't gonna pay over what the buyout price is, that's for sure. ESIO, let's check it out. ESIO up 30% so far. Got 100,000 shares traded. Looks like it had earnings yesterday, end of day here. ESIO up there. I'm not a big fan of ESIO just because looks like it already had a big move already yesterday after hours. So not sure how much higher this is gonna fly after that. PYDS, the pump and dump. PYDS making some big moves the last couple days. Definitely been trading this one all around. Now there are shares to short. No, there's not shares to short. Yesterday there was shares to short. Now there's not shares to short. Huh, very, very crafty of SureTrader. But everyone's just throwing out ticker names right now. Just everyone's got their own personal ticker today, I guess. So PYDS doing a little bit of something, not having the power to go higher right now, but I'm watching XNET here. XNET, I like to see this get back up that 1250 area, find resistance one more time, and then start crashing here at open. That's where I'm going to be watching. But I think if we get below this $12 area, we'll probably get a nice sell-off as well. So XNET, keep an eye on this one. There's no difference in commissions with SureTrader, at least. Some brokers give you a rebate if you're if you're not taking from the market, if you're buying with limit orders and stuff like that, they'll give you better rebates for ECN fees. But SureTrader does not give you any rebates. They take all that money and run. Other big news this morning, if you guys haven't already seen, Bitcoin up there to $7,400. Bitcoin going crazy right now. Really just a wild one. I got in on some Bitcoin below $6,000. It's up there to $7,400 right now. So call it beginner's luck, I guess. up 20%, so. Yeah, like I said, not a lot of stuff moving around this morning. Definitely XNET, I feel like, is going to be a good play today. A good play for sure. Here on XNET. Looks like SPRW jumping up there. SPWR moving around this morning. Up 11% so far. Got 200,000 shares traded from that $7 area. Getting up to that $8 area right now. So, see if we get some more volume there at open. We got Riot Blockchain Inc. RIOT. It's up 14%. Up to that 830 area. Looks like it's jumping up with the price of Bitcoin this morning. But XNET, what's the plan? You want to know what the plan is? So the plan for on XNET is I would love to see XNET get up to that 1250 area and find resistance, not get over that 1250. The one thing you got to be very careful of here is, like yesterday, XNET, you know, it looked like it was done. It popped up there to that $10 area. It didn't look like it was going to go much higher. It pulled back and then started to, you know, make a little move, make a little move, make a little move. And then right there near the end of day, it got over that $10 area and it squeezed right up there to that $12 area. So you want to be careful. You definitely don't want to short this and be stubborn because it can move. It can easily squeeze higher. So you got to be careful. If you're going to short it, take that profit when you got it. Don't be greedy. Don't be stubborn here, because this thing could easily squeeze $3 or $4 on you. So definitely keeping an eye on XNET. I like to see it up to that 1250 area, find that resistance, and then start to pull back there. There are plenty of shares to short there on XNET. So we'll see if it gets up there. Right now, 1225 there on XNET, trying to get some support there. Make that move up there to that 1250 area. We'll see if this gets above that pre-market high there at 1250. If you look at the daily chart, there is some resistance coming up there at the $14 area. So, you know, we get over this 1250 area, might make a run at that $13, $14 area. Previous XNET making some big moves similar to what it's done recently. A little bit bigger than normal. Look at this volume on this thing, XNET. Moving. This is a Chinese company, so who knows what kind of fraud is going on with this company. It can be all kinds of craziness. Don't want to repeat of a WINS getting halted and never reopening. I know people that are still holding WINS. Did that ever reopen off the charts or anywhere? I don't think it ever reopened, did it? WINS? No, I don't think so. So WINS stock that went up from like $20 up to $250 in a couple of days. I remember people just trading it because it was literally jumping like $50 every couple of minutes, doing some crazy wild spreads there on WINS, and now it's been halted since then. I think it's like 3 months now. WINS, basically just one big fraud. So XNET, not saying that this is a complete fraud, but I'm sure there's some kind of manipulation going on here with these Chinese companies. They love to do some weird stuff here. But definitely keeping an eye here for a possible short there on XNET. I'd also play it for a possible long. Gets above this 1250 area. You never know. Get above 1250, make that run at $14. Get to $14, then look for a nice short. You can see here on the daily chart, XNET, look at this move. The last time that it squeezed up to $14, it sold off from $14 back down there to $3. So, you know, that's a pretty long short there, but you can see just the overall trend moving lower. So we'll see if that is going to be another repeat here on XNET if it wants to get up to that $14 area again and then start to sell off. I wouldn't mind a $14 to $12 short there. Make a quick $2 there. $2 a share. Give it to me. I'll take it all day, baby. But other than that, kind of looking at what's moving around this morning in the market, like I said, not a lot of craziness. Nothing that I'm like, wow, this is going to be an insane mover today. I guess the overall market has just been boosting all these big earnings. Everyone's been happy with that, so they haven't been playing the small caps. Or the small caps are like, hey, we're not going to release any news until all the earnings for the big caps are over, so that way we get more traction. I don't know which way it goes. Look at eyes. Oh, look at eyes. What's up, Bill Thompson? Let's look at it. It's up 19% this morning. It's up 288%. EYES eyes up there to 137 right now. Getting some action here. Dave Brown, late to the party. Bitcoin is up to actually, well, this morning hit $7,433. Woke up this morning, saw it was breaking over $7,000, and about 5 minutes later, it hit that $7,400 mark. So Bitcoin making all kinds of crazy, weird stuff going on there. Why don't I trade live in the live streams? I think I talked about this before, but I'll talk about it again. One of the reasons I don't trade in the live streams every day, I trade sometimes in the live streams, but not every day, is basically because the chat room that I'm a part of, it would just be kind of weird if people are paying to be in that chat room and stuff, and then I'm trading the same stocks they're all trading, and it's all live, free on YouTube. So if you guys want to learn more about the chat room, there's a link in the description. You want to come trade the same stocks that I trade during the day and make money on, you can do that. It's a free trial going on right now. Let's get in the free trial 4 or 5 days. But other than that, like I said, XNET, I want to see this thing get some resistance up there. MARA, this Marathon Patent Group, I actually watched a documentary. If you want to watch a crazy documentary, check out a documentary talking about the patent wars, I guess it is. Patent scams, maybe it was. But MARA, this company basically, all they are is a company that owns patents on all kinds of just crazy crap. They just literally get patents on the craziest stuff, and then they sue other companies. That's all they do. They literally get patents, and then they sue companies. So they'll have like a patent on... they actually have there's a company that has a patent on the idea that you can scan documents and then email them. So if your company is scanning documents and then emailing those documents, Marathon has a patent against that, and they can sue you for infringing on their patent, which is pretty insane. People can join from all over the world in the chat room. It's all through Skype. It's very easy and simple. Send me an email. It's info@plandaytradeprofit.com. Yeah, I gotta keep an eye out here on MARA. They might be patenting pre-market stock trading on YouTube. Gonna get they're gonna sue me. There was one guy that was getting sued for putting his app on the Google App Store or the Google Play Store. Basically, Marathon has a patent on the idea that they have a search. It's literally, I can't even explain it. But if you watch the documentary, go watch it. It's talking about the patent scams. Pretty insane. Big scam. Big scam in it. There's a good chance that Marathon does have a patent for going to bathroom as well. Australia, what's up, Shane? I guess it's afternoon there, right? Afternoon in Australia, morning here. That's not a bad way to trade. What's the time difference? So XNET up there to 12.35. Holding this $12 area right now. We'll see if this wants to get higher. Wants to get moving here. Give it some time here. Like I said, I wouldn't mind it getting back up to that 12.50 area, getting a nice short position there. I would feel pretty good about getting short there at 12.50. Albania, man, worldwide, baby. Tuning in from the worldwide. I gotta get a worldwide tour. Just hit up all the fellow traders and YouTubers. Just stay at all you guys' houses. Hope you don't mind. I'm coming. 9:20 p.m. Australia trading. How's that work out when you're? I would always thought about trading at night, like moving to Asia and trading at night might be kind of fun. But then I thought about it might be kind of hard too. Brazil. I'm actually going to Brazil next. Well, it's already November. I'm going to Brazil, Fortaleza on the 15th. Bruno. Fortaleza. So XNET up to that 12.30 area holding right now. I got a feeling this thing's gonna just crash here, but I don't want to be overly confident here because, like I said, this could squeeze. This could squeeze. Serbia. Wow. I thought I was only in a couple of different countries. So XNET, like I said, I know I'm keep talking about it, but this is, I think, going to be the play of the day. Like, this gets above that 1250 high. Definitely keep an eye out for a possible squeeze of that $14 area. If it can't get above 1250, I'm looking for a crash. So, got two ways to play it. Looking at that 1250 area as a key area to watch. Pre-market high there, 1250. Yesterday after hours high there. So that's what we're going to be watching here. XNET. It's 9:21. Got about 9 minutes till market open. I think I might go grab a coffee, stretch the legs out, get ready for the market open here, and then I'll see what happens today. But I'm definitely keeping an eye there on XNET. That's going to be my play today, I have a feeling. This is probably going to be the stock for me today. I've had some good luck so far trading XNET, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. XNET, keeping an eye on this one. But on that note, I think I'm going to be done with this live stream. Like I said, I'm going to go grab a coffee, come back, and get ready for the market open here in 8 minutes. See you guys later on. Make sure you tune in later to see what happens. See if I made some money here on XNET or possibly lost some money. You never know. You never know with these crazy stocks. I'll talk to you guys later on here.